So, welcome back. This is Anish from A Square Solutions. If you have been following this series, you already know we are not here for hype. We are here to build systems. So, in episode 1, we built the big website. In episode 2, we talked about real online income foundations. In episode 3, we decoded Google Search Console. So, today, in this episode, episode 4, we will look at the Google Analytics. This is where visitor turns into data and data turns into decisions and decisions turns into money. So let's jump in. All right. So this is here is Google Analytics. Think of this as your business control room. Search console tells you how people find you. Analytics tells you what they actually do after landing. Massive difference. Now, don't panic. You can see one active users in last 30 minutes. So every big website started at zero. Amazon started with one order. Google started with one search. So if you are seeing small numbers, relax. You are planting seeds. Okay. Now you can see the users from United States, China, India, even Tanzania, UAE, Albania, Ethiopia. This means your content is already global. That's powerful. But here's the catch: international traffic is nice, buyer traffic is better. Later, we learn how to attract intent based visitors, not just random clicks, but tourists don't buy. Because tourists don't buy, customer do. Now, in the pages section, you can see homepage, contact page, case studies, what we do, the blog page. This tells us something interesting. People are not just reading blogs, they are checking who you are, what you do, how to contact you. That's buying behavior. That's warm traffic. Now also notice page not found has views. That's 404. That means broken links somewhere. So quick fix, how to quick fix? Just go to the like and I believe that uh, there are lots of plugins for SEO, but I would like to recommend you the Rank Math SEO. In this, you can get the 404 monitor. So just you need to click here and you can fix the URLs by redirect or delete dead links. So small things like this improve trust. Now you can see these are the sessions. Okay, so you can see this is the direct, organic search, organic social, referral. So this is gold. Organic search, the people from the Google. Organic social means YouTube social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And directs are typing your site manually. This tells us SEO plus YouTube combo is already working. Not perfect, but working. That's momentum. Now, the next one is the events, right? So, page view, session start, scroll, form submit. See that? So, this is where most beginners stop because they chase traffic, they ignore conversion. Big mistake. Traffic without conversion is like opening a mall with no billing counter. Pretty but broke. Now, let me be honest, here are things not properly set up yet. And you guys must do these things. You should mark contact form submit, WhatsApp click, email click as conversion. Right now, analytics is not tracking money actions properly. No generate lead event setup. So Google literally recommends track contact as generate lead. Do this. Admin events create events generate lead. So understand Google Ads analytics won't understand your Google business. You still see like one unlinked account. Okay, just give me a moment. So if you ever run ads, link it, otherwise you are driving blind. You should track landing page or blog or contact submit. That's your sales pipeline. Without this, you are guessing. Like, imagine opening a shop, people enter, look around, leave. You don't know why. That's your website right now. So analytics tells you where they came from, what they saw, where they exited. It's CCTV for the business. Use it. So let me drop truth. 100 people searching best hosting for WordPress beats 10,000 random explorers. Every single day, quality traffic pays rent. Quantity traffic boosts ego. Choose wisely. I use ChatGPT for blog outlines, SEO ideas, video structure, but I never blind copy. I edit it, add some experiences, add examples, add because AI gives speed, human gives trust, and that combo wins. So most people quit after 2 weeks. They post 3 blogs and say SEO does not work, mate. Bro, that's like going to gym for 5 days and expecting six pack. Chill. Digital success is boring consistency. Do these reps. If you need help with SEO automation website, visit A Square Solutions contact page. We will take it from there. Also check our other playlists like digital marketing and AI tutorials, science frontiers, history and culture, knowledge compounds, ignorance charges interest. So today we learned how to read analytics, where traffic comes from, why conversion matters, what's missing in setup, how to think like a business owner. And next episode, we will talk about the AdSense affiliate income, real monetization system. Subscribe to our channel, don't miss it. I'm Anish from A Square Solutions. Keep learning, keep building. Knowledge is power. Thank you.